Hey guys, this is Tech Wizard and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can set your bot's status to mobile. So, for example, if you might have seen some users, they have this mobile symbol next to their name, which denotes that they are using the Discord Android app. So you can also do that to your Discord bot. So all you have to do is go to your node modules folder and search for discord.js. So there is this one folder which is at the rate discord.js. You don't have to open this one. You have to search for discord.js, which is this one, discord.js, and you have to go into this to go into source. Then you have to go into util, and then you have to go to constant.js, and then you will press Control F and search for dollar browser. And so this will open this will search for this dollar browser, and once you see this, all you have to do is type here discord Android instead of discord.js. Make sure you make the D and this A capital and have a space in between. If you make a spelling error, this won't work. And all you have to do is now start your bot, and if you go into Discord, it will say, okay, it didn't display. Let's just wait for some time.
A few moments later.
Okay, so finally, after waiting 2 to 3 minutes, we now see that the bot has this mobile symbol next to its status, and this is how uh, you make a bot status look like it's from a mobile Discord client. And that was all for this video. I hope you guys learned something, and if you did, make sure to leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.